Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you this EPS 1100Batch pre-expander machine. On the top, there is a variable frequency motor used to control the rotating speed of the pre-expander. During the heating and expanding process, the machine runs at a low speed, while during startup and discharging, a higher speed is required. All of these speeds can be flexibly adjusted through the inverter. This is the top-mounted fan. This machine uses pressure-reducing valves and proportional valves to automatically control the steam flow, ensuring more uniform expansion. This is the motor section of the EPS foam machine curing bed. This is the vacuum pump, which generates negative pressure to convey raw materials into the machine. Here's the feeding system. Normally, 20 kilos bags can be fed from the bottom. And a 1-ton jumbo bag can be placed on the top. This is the automatic weighing system, which is used to achieve precise material dosing. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone.